A specific experience that stood out, I think, for me was definitely placing the esophageal tube. It's just something that I've seen done before but never had the experience to do myself, and to do that I think was really great. Practical experience that I've obtained is invaluable. It's just the absolute key to get some experience, and there's definitely lots of useful things that I can take back to my clinic. I'm probably most excited to be doing some arthrocentesis and some spinal taps, and I think it's all going to immensely benefit us in GP practice. Yeah. The educators were super friendly, and I think most importantly they were extremely approachable. They were super knowledgeable about any questions we had, and they were also just very willing to sit down with us, and especially when we're just in pairs, it's quite individual feedback. The free bar tab, it was good. No, had a really fun time at the dinner last night that they put on, and great food, great entertainment, and yeah, the free drinks always helps as well. I think the most pleasant surprise with the workshop was just the social aspect. Met lots of new people, and everyone's really friendly, all in very similar life experiences, and lots of new contacts for the future as well. Yeah, I would always recommend VetPrac to my colleagues and peers. Our clinic has been using it for years, and myself, I find it's just the best way to get practical experience, and then just build that confidence for when you can use it in practice. I think if you're just thinking about attending, then go for it. There's so much good experience that you can get. It's always a fun social time. You get to explore around the country as well, visit new places and meet new people, and I think it's such a great experience. And VetPrac, it really focuses on that social aspect. I think that you really get to know the other people and get really close with some of the teachers and the guides. Yeah.